is impossible. Oops, can't divide on 0. Divided by 6 equal 450. So today I'll show you how to create exactly same as this calculator, and you'll be at the end of the video to be able to create and to program something like this. My video, actually, this program will be split into two parts. The first part, I'm gonna show you how to lay down the buttons and the text box, and also how to program some of these buttons. I'm gonna program the numbers, the dot button, the cleaning button, and the back button. All right, let's do it. So here I have a clean, empty access sheet that I'm gonna use to create my calculator app. We go to create, we choose a blank form. This is the blank form. This is the form that we're gonna use to put all the buttons and the text box together. Right click on the form, we go to the design view. This is much easier to put your buttons and whatever you want, and to lay them and to lay out them the way you want. So here we need a text box. All right, we need buttons for the numbers, and for the operators, you go, you hit cancel, copy and paste. All right, you go here, take this here, copy and paste. You go here, copy and paste. All right, so now we're gonna change the caption. You can either change it from the button here, double click on the button, or you can go to format caption. You can change it from here too. You go here, property sheet, you go to caption and change it to whatever you want. This is got 1, 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 9, and 0, dot, gonna put, this is gonna be plus, minus, multiplication, division sign, we're gonna go back, C, which will be clean, and the other one is another button. That's the equal sign. All right. Now we have all the buttons. Okay. So now let's lay this down the way we want. We're gonna put 1. We're gonna put. Let's put this little down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I'm laying it down. Okay. All right. And button. Here, back button. Here we're gonna put the equal button here. Make it bigger. Take the whole size. Okay. So now. Okay, looks good. Make this a little bit smaller. All right, good. So now we're gonna start programming the numbers. The numbers, they're gonna be using the same code. So let's start with the 1 number. number one, and we copy that code and paste it for the other ones, for the whole numbers. You select the button that you want to program, you go to event, on click, you see the three dots, you go down to code builder, and okay. So now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make an if statement. If actually, first of all, before we start programming, let's name these components to a convenient name so we remember and we start programming using those names. Okay, we go here, you go to other name, btn1, we call this btn2, btn2, copy 3, 4, okay, we name all of them in a way that we remember them. So I think this is the easiest way to remember them. Put btn, okay, here and 0, here btn dot, we call it for example bta dot btn cl, which means clean, btn equal aq equal, told me btn add addition subtraction multiplication division. Here we can name it back, btn back, and we name the text box, for example, txt d, big D display. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna program these numbers. First of all, we start with the first number, number 1, and we copy that code and paste it for the other numbers. So what we're gonna do now, I gotta have an if statement which gonna check if the text box there has something in it. If it has something in it, so we're gonna concatenate whatever in the text box and concatenate the one with it. If not, we're gonna put in the one on the empty space. Okay, if txt dot value equal 0, then if there is nothing in it, okay, then text value txt dot value equal 1. Else, if there is something in it, we're gonna go text d dot value equal whatever in the text box in txt dot value concatenated with number 1. Okay, all right, and 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 the if statement, and if. Okay, good. So now I programmed number 1. Let's see how that works. Save as, we're gonna call it calculator calculator. Alrighty. Okay, let's see. To check, see if we're gonna go to the form view, right click on calculator, form, and right click to and click onto a form view. Now design view, it's not showing anything anyway. Okay, no, it's not this. It's not plus to ampersand sign to concatenate the number. Form view. Okay, now good. If there is something, we concatenate with it. If there is nothing, just start adding the number. Alright, good. So what we're gonna do right now, we get that code and copy it into the rest of the number button. Copy. We're gonna go to number 2, go to do the same thing that we did for 1 and paste the code. Okay, so here we're gonna change 1 to 2. All right, same thing for the change it to 4. You always save. Okay, 5, you go to 5, same thing that we did with the previous buttons. Paste, change 1 to 5. Wait, go 6, same thing. 7, 8, 9, 0, 'kay. So number 0 is gonna be slightly different because let's say that I have, for example, yes, or yes, if, yeah, that's good, that's good, looks good. So now the dot, we're programming the dot. So how we program the dot? So let's just want to double check. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 8, 7, 9, 0. Okay, this, okay. So good. Till now we're doing a good job here. So what we're gonna do now? Now we're gonna program the dot button. Go to code builder. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna check into the text box and see that if we already put a dot into a number or no. If we did, we don't have to put another one because we can. It's something that That's not a number. To have two dots, you can only have one dot into a number. So to do this, you go if statement, and there is a function called inString in str, and we check into the text box text d dot value await comma, and we look for a dot. If this equals 0, then equal, yes, equal. Okay, so we check if there is no dot into the text, into the text box. What we're gonna do, we're gonna concatenate the dot with whatever in the text box value. All right, we're gonna text d dot value equal text d dot value concatenated, and we concatenate the dot. Alright, space, you always put space between them. Alright, and if, and we end the if. So let's see how this will work. Form view, okay. Got an issue here. Okay, dot value. Got an issue here. So let's see what the issue is. Yeah, put a space here. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, good. So now, all right. Now we program the, let's delete this. As you can see here, 12.5, and I can put another dot into the number. You see here? That's good. It's working good. So what we're gonna do, if 7.8, okay, good. 0.8, that's good. So far so good. So now we're gonna program the C button and the back button. Let's go with the back button. Go to design view, back button. Okay, go to code builder. Okay, so what does the back button is to delete the last number in that text box. So if I made a mistake, for example, I want to put 125, I'm trying to put 125, I put 122, and I need only to delete the 2 and replace it with 5. That's why I only need, I don't have to start over, clean everything up. So this is comes handy and helpful for the calculator user. Okay, so to do that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the length. We're gonna check the length of the text box. If the length is greater than 0, which means that there is something in there that needs to be deleted. If it's equal to 0, which means that there's nothing there. So I don't want the back button to delete anything. So this is the thing that we're gonna do. We go if statement, and we now we count how many characters in the text box. Text d dot value. All right, and see if it's greater than 0. Then what's gonna happen? Text, which means that I have something in the text box. Text the value, and I go equal, and the function. We're gonna start with there is a function called left and right. Depends on from which side I want to delete the characters or the numbers from right to the left or from to the left to the right. So what we're doing now, we're gonna go from right to the left. So left way. We're gonna go to the left way. So we're gonna do left. I mean text d dot value and length. We get the length of that text box and -1. Delete 1 from it. All right. And if all right. So what I did here, I took the text d dot value. Okay, so I got whatever in that text box, and I start deleting from it, from the length of it. Deleting what from the each time I hit that button, I delete from the right to the left. So let's see how this works. So we go right click, form view. This is the number that I have. Oh, I made a mistake. Instead of 6, I want to put 5. So I want to only delete 6, the last number. We go back. You see, now I delete 6. Oh, I want to put 5 instead. Or I want to put 25 at the end. Okay, delete. So if there is nothing in there, the button won't go any further. So, okay. All right. Now we get to the end of the first part, and to the first part. At the end of this, what we did, I just want to make a conclusion about what we did in this video. We put the whole buttons together. We put the text box. We program some of these buttons, the numbers, the dot, the back. I'm gonna leave the operators, equal sign, and the cleaning button for the second part. Please watch the second part to uh, to finish up this app, and to I would like you guys to subscribe and hit the like button, so or you can leave comments to me on whatever concerns that you have, and I'm gonna be willing to and happy to help you guys out and give you a solution to whatever concern you have. IT Learning Zone is wishing you and providing you with the good code to make your own app without asking anybody else. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope see you for the next time.